Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Thursday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're again, this rest of this week, we'll be filming from our new Coffee with Craig studio here in Belgrade, Serbia. And Daryl, I see you have some of our, good to see you. I'm with our publisher of Serbia Monthly, Daryl Fidelak. Daryl, how are you doing?
I'm doing very good. I mean, we've had a wonderful week. Having Craig in town, it's always a pleasure.
Great weather.
Great weather. Wonderful meetings, new clients, great opportunities, and again, just highlighting the fact that there's something going on here.
Right.
You know, the industries are growing: real estate, development, investment.
Serbia is booming.
Serbia is booming, and it's great that we get to be a part of this, and we're here to promote Serbia. Not just in Serbia, obviously, but we promote this all over the globe, but specifically in our regions.
Right, abroad as well. Yeah. Tell us what you've got here. I see some great packages and a nice bottle there.
Yeah, we've got a couple little gifts that we like to give out to our clients, our partners. We have our own Craig and Daryl gourmet coffee, which goes nicely with the Coffee with Craig mug.
Coffee with Craig mug.
Yeah.
Always tastes better in a coffee with
Always
Craig.
tastes better, and we will soon start producing this in Serbia. So
okay, all right.
We currently have a European distributor, but we want to make it specifically local.
Some local Serbian coffee.
Yeah. So stay tuned. We'll announce who our partner is shortly, and of course we have our Serbia Monthly honey, which is our urban honey. We work with the guys from MadMed. And we have our own hives on the Danube near Silosi, and our honeybees work very hard to produce special honey that we like to give again to our clients and friends. So.
All natural and all part of our ESG platform for promoting sustainable living.
Exactly.
Great, excellent. Well, so we've got the magazine out. We've got May. You're now selling advertising for the May edition. Big real estate section, I assume. Some interesting stuff on the real estate business. I heard Preston Smith is writing an article for this next one. So something for sure to read. And on Serbia Monthly Daily, I see that we have daily news on the website now for several months as well. How's that going? How's the
actually the numbers are growing daily. People are, if I can say, tuning in every morning to get like the freshest news in English about what's going on in the Serbian and regional market. And again, the response has been incredible. So and we if you keep reading it, we'll keep publishing it.
Right. And I saw we're in 2 weeks we have our SEE Awards in our 18th annual Europa Property SEE Awards in Romania at the Bucharest Hotel, at the Radisson Hotel in Bucharest, and over 200 people already signed up coming. A lot of local, regional, international. So a lot of fun. We'll have a great time there. If you haven't booked your tickets or corporate table or sponsorship, there's still a few sponsorship offers left. I saw just looking at our own marketing, we signed up a couple new sponsors today, so that was great. I saw them on LinkedIn, so great to see the team's doing a lot back in Romania and at the headquarters. So good to see. And then of course, right after that, May 11th, we have our Serbia Monthly CEO Awards nomination launch.
Yeah, exactly.
Tell us a little bit about that.
Again, it's May 11th. This is to announce all of the nominations, or actually the first stage of nominations for our Serbia Monthly CEO Awards, which the gala will be held in September. This is to kind of introduce everyone to the awards, who the nominees are. They get to meet. A perfect opportunity for networking, meeting people in multiple industries. Real estate, banking, mobile, tech. So it really is kind of the fine point of fine CEO business executive living or executives in the Serbian market.
And you can buy tickets on the SerbiaMonthly.com website as well, or just copy me or talk to me or Daryl as well. We'll sort you out. So a lot going on there. Very exciting. We'll take a little break now and we'll come right back with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief of EuropaProperty.com with today's real estate news. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 18th Annual Europa Property SEE Real Estate Awards taking place April 6th at the Radisson Blue Hotel in Bucharest, Romania. If you've not yet booked your tickets, corporate table, or sponsorship, now is the best time to do it. We have over 200 of the most active commercial real estate professionals attending, with over 40% of them flying in for the event. Then in the evening, we kick off the awards with opening cocktails and 5-star dinner and awards ceremony, then late night networking and celebration.
Good Thursday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. My name's Winston Norman and here are the highlights for the EuropaProperty.com website for today. And big group is to develop a retail park in Olkusz in Poland. The project will be implemented as part of a joint venture with the BOIG group. And according to the BOG group, the Olkusz is a region inhabited by nearly 50,000 people and its commercial potential has not yet been fully realised. And thanks to this location, the retail park has the potential to reach nearly 120,000 people in the whole Olkusz district. The investment is being developed in cooperation with the Israeli developer BIG. And according to Iran Levy, he's the CEO of BIG in Poland, we highly value the potential of this location and we hope that the joint venture with BOIG will become an attractive, desirable space for representatives of retail chains and will bring many benefits to the local residents. The facility is set to be ready for delivery in 2025. Staying in Poland, and Panattoni has completed a new build-to-own development for DHL Parcel. New owner will be making use of a cross-docking centre with an area of around 9,000 square metres. And according to Marek Dobritsky, he's the managing director at Panattoni. A build-to-own facility is always a huge expression of trust, which when it comes to working with the DHL group, we have built up on the basis of many BTS developments all throughout Poland. And according to Arkadiusz Stasiak, the vice president of operations at DHL Parcel Polska, the facility developed for the DHL by Panattoni is of major importance to our operations. Moving to Romania, and Forte Partners and Pavel Holding announced that the achievement of WELL Core certification at the platinum level for the first phase of the U Centre project in Bucharest. The certification process was carried out by the ESG department at Colliers, Romania. And according to Andrea Druga, she's the managing director, Dediman Office Division of Pavel Holding. The quality of the environment inside the building where we spend our professional lives is perhaps the most important benefit we can bring to our residents. And according to Stephen Burke, construction director at Forte Partners, ensuring a healthy work environment, especially in today's still hybrid but increasingly office-based work environment, is high on our list of priorities. Forte Partners intends to obtain similar certifications for the second phase of the project, currently under construction and scheduled for completion in the third quarter of 2023. And finally, for today, staying in Romania, and Some Products, a Romanian brand in the home and decor industry, has opened a showroom in the EXPO project in Timisoara, developed by Mulberry Development. The transaction was brokered by Cushman & Wakefield Equinox, and according to Cushman & Wakefield, multifunction developments have become an important component of the real estate market and the retail sector in particular. And according to Sergiu Sidar, CEO of Some Products, a sustainable, well-realized project that redefines the urban center of Timisoara, EXPO shares with us its passion for beauty, innovative technologies, and quality and comfort. And according to the developer of the EXPO project, Ofido Sandor, we envisaged EXPO as a truly multifunctional project developing office and housing, but also a strong retail component. And those are the highlights from the website for today. For more news, please join me again tomorrow.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.